What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I want to spot the difference between real and fake pairs of Nike Kobe 5 PROTRO Chaos colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, just like the other colorways, the line on the upper material here isn't straight with the midsole on the fake one here compared to the authentic. Look at here. And also this one, a lot of opening between the midsole and the outsole on the fake one. Not like the authentic here. The authentic is looking very solid. It's looking very good. Next one, as you guys can see, the red speckles on the fake one is a lot more compared to the authentic one here. It's a little bit less speckles. And also this one, the line here on the upper material isn't straight with the midsole. The direction here, as you guys can see, this one is slightly to the right on the upper material on the fake one. Look at on the authentic one here is straight like this. Look at on the back here, as you guys can see, the black line here isn't straight with the midsole. You can see here. Look at on the authentic one here, it's a lot more straight. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see on the marking area here, this one, the upper material here isn't straight with the midsole, still same. And also the holes here is slightly to the right. It should be right on top of the midsole curve. This one also, the holes here is slightly go down, it touched the midsole, whereas on the authentic one here it has a little bit gap between the midsole and the holes. Another one also, the holes is slightly go down, and also on the fake one there are 6 holes. On the authentic one it has only 4 holes. It's looking so terrible. This one is slightly to the right. It should be right here, right on top of the midsole curve. Another sample also, this one, there's no gap here between the Nike shoes and the holes on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. Looking from above here, as you guys can see on the tongue, the direction is totally wrong. On the fake one is a little bit slanted, on the authentic one is, you can see here, straight vertical. The shape of the tongue here, right on top of the Kobe logo, is a little bit messed up, it's a little bit wavy. Not like the authentic one here, straight, a little bit rounded. Moving to the back of the shoes on the heel, as you can see, the Kobe signature here is looking terrible. It seems like it has a little bit shadow on the color, whereas on the authentic one here is looking very solid. The upper heel on the fake one is a little bit slanted, isn't straight like the authentic one here. Take a closer look. The direction of the material pattern here is wrong on the fake one. On the fake one is straight horizontal, on the authentic one is straight vertical. And also on the Kobe signature here is messed up. You can see the color here. The next one, as you guys can see, there are a lot of red speckles on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic is a little bit less speckles. Take a closer look. As you guys can see on the Kobe signature, the color is messed up. It's crooked on the fake one compared to the authentic one. It's very clean. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, I hope you understand. And if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, or you can leave in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm out.